In Jamaica, a legendary barber was born. Barber Dre.
What go on, guys, it's your boy Barber, and today I'll be doing a skin tight drop fade tutorial. Watch and enjoy. So now I'll be using my outliner to create my first guideline. To be honest, guys, it don't really matter which outliner you use as long as you're comfortable with it. But now I'm using the Gamma outliner. It's a really good outliner. I love the way it's comfortable and it's cardless. So big up to Gamma for creating this outliner. So now I'll be using my magic clipper to take off some hair off the top. This client want like a number 2 on the top, so I'll be using number 2 guard to go with the grain and against the grain. Also, I'm going to be using it close. Okay, so because this client here is kind of funny, so I have to use it with the grain and against the grain to get the hair even. Now I'm using my Oscar speed line to create my second guideline. We'll be going like an inch up. I'll be using this clipper from 2014 and I believe this is one of the best fading clipper out there right now. It's just my choice, so everyone have their choice, but I'm just saying I think it's one of the best. Now I'm using the number 1 guard open to create my third guideline. As you guys can see, I'm flipping the clipper because that's one of the secrets of fading. You need to flip out the clipper. If you're not flipping out the clipper, you're not gonna get a proper fade. So always remember, guys, to flip out the clipper. So now is where the real fading begins. We're gonna use our number 1 guard close to help to take out the second guideline. So now I'll be using the 1.5 guard close and also open. I'm going to be using it to take out the third guideline, but also to blend it in with the top of the hair.
I'm a little kid beat.
Using the 0 guard close to fade out our second guideline.
I'm a little kid beat. I'm a little kid beat.
Now I'm using my Oscar fast feed close to fade out the first guideline. And remember, guys, when we're fading, we flip out. So this client wants his beard dark but not too dark, so I'll be using my number 2 guard to take off some of the
I'm a little kid beat.
So now I'll be using my outliner to shape up the hair. As you can see, I'm brushing the hair forward. Why I'm brushing the hair forward? So I could get all the loose hair. So when you brush your hair forward, you get all the loose hair, so your line could be sharp and
I'm a little kid beat. I'm a little kid beat. I'm a little kid beat. I'm a little kid beat.
so now I'll be fading the beard to match the top of the hair. So it's basically the same fade you use to fade the top of the hair, you're gonna use to fade the beard. The same step you use on the top, you're gonna use to fade the beard. So now I'm using the hairbrush. If you can find this at any beauty supply, but if you can't find it, you can also DM me on Instagram or at my email or anything, and I will help you to find one.
I'm a little kid beat. I'm a little kid beat.